What really keeps our modern world running? Is it the dazzling lights, the constant movement, or the towering buildings that seem to touch the sky? While these are the visible signs of progress, there's something deeper at work, something that connects us all, even if we rarely see it. Beyond the skyscrapers and busy streets, there's an invisible force at work. It pulses through every transaction, every decision, and every dream that takes shape in our cities. It's not made of steel or concrete, but of trust, information, and shared purpose. This force is built on relationships, on promises kept, and on the belief that together we can achieve more than we ever could alone. This is the world of finance, an ecosystem as vital to society as rivers are to nature. It's a living network, constantly adapting and evolving to meet our needs. Finance is the circulatory system of our global economy, channeling savings into streams of capital that fuel progress. It moves resources from where they're abundant to where they're needed most, sparking innovation and growth. It gathers small investments and directs them to where they're needed most. Innovative startups, life-saving research, and public infrastructure. Every new idea, every breakthrough, and every bridge built is powered by this flow. Just as blood nourishes every cell, finance delivers resources to every corner of society. It supports families, empowers entrepreneurs, and helps communities grow stronger. When this flow is healthy, societies thrive. When blocked, everyone feels the impact. Economic slowdowns, job losses, and uncertainty ripple through our lives when the system falters. Understanding finance isn't just for experts. It shapes our daily lives, our opportunities, and our future. From the way we save and spend to the dreams we dare to chase, finance is always present. Look past the headlines and you'll see finance as a powerful tool for organizing our collective efforts. It's the framework that helps us solve problems, take risks, and build for tomorrow. It's not just a numbers game, it's how we turn dreams into reality. Every blueprint, every grand opening, every new invention owes something to the financial system that supports it. Finance determines the opportunities we have and the future we build. It shapes the schools our children attend, the homes we live in, and the innovations that will define generations to come. It's the quiet engine behind every achievement, big or small. From scientific breakthroughs to local businesses, finance is the silent partner in every success story. By understanding it, we can all play a part in shaping a better world. When we learn how finance works, we gain the power to make choices that benefit not just ourselves, but our communities and our planet. Finance is the lifeblood of progress, a force that, when harnessed wisely, can help us build a brighter, more connected future for everyone. If finance is a river of capital, who steers its course, who decides where this powerful current flows and which shores it nourishes? Financial institutions are the navigators, directing money from savers to innovators. They act as the crucial link, ensuring that resources don't stagnate, but instead reach those who can put them to productive use. They don't just guard wealth, they allocate it, seeking out the most promising ideas and nurturing them. Their expertise helps identify opportunities that might otherwise be overlooked. Venture capitalists, for example, spot startups with potential and provide not just funds, but guidance and connections. Their mentorship can be as valuable as their investment, helping young companies avoid pitfalls and accelerate growth. Investors take risks, startups get the fuel to grow, and society benefits from new technologies and jobs. This cycle of support and innovation drives progress and creates opportunities for everyone. Banks and investment funds play similar roles, supporting local businesses and channeling savings into established companies. Their involvement helps communities thrive and economies expand. In every case, financial institutions bridge those with capital and those with ideas, making connections that spark growth. They are the essential matchmakers of the economic world, bringing together visionaries and resources to create something greater than the sum of its parts. Without them, many of today's innovations would never have seen the light of day, and the world would be a far less dynamic place. How does finance turn capital into action? It's more than just numbers on a balance sheet or transactions in a ledger. Finance is the invisible force that connects resources to dreams, transforming potential into progress. By creating incentives and aligning interests, finance encourages people to work together, take risks, and innovate. When a company goes public, it invites thousands to become part owners, each share a stake in its future. This shared ownership spreads both risk and reward, making big ambitions possible. Success means everyone benefits: managers, employees, and shareholders. The entire ecosystem thrives when goals are met and value is created. Stock options motivate employees to give their best, while investors provide the capital that fuels innovation and expansion. This system harnesses ambition for a common goal, enabling companies to raise the funds needed for bold projects that can change industries and improve lives. Finance organizes human effort on a massive scale, not by command, but through shared interest and mutual benefit, bringing together people from all walks of life. It's the engine that powers ideas from business plans to global enterprises, turning vision into reality and small beginnings into world-changing ventures. Finance transforms ambition into achievement, fueling the progress that shapes our world and connects us all. Monumental achievements like building a car or a power grid require seamless collaboration. Finance is the conductor, coordinating thousands of specialists across the globe. Cars creation involves designers, suppliers, and manufacturers, all connected by financial flows. Trade finance and credit keep the production chain running smoothly, integrating each contribution. Without this financial framework, global cooperation and specialization would be impossible. Finance enables us to build complex, affordable goods by weaving together efforts worldwide. It's the architecture behind our most ambitious projects. Is finance just about profit? Far from it. The same tools that drive business can fund hospitals, schools, and public works. Governments issue bonds, pooling community resources to build vital infrastructure. Investors get steady returns, society gains hospitals, bridges, and research labs. Non-profits and universities use finance to fund missions that serve the public good. Finance lets us invest in a healthier, smarter, more resilient society. It's a powerful force for positive change. What keeps finance fair and trustworthy? Regulation. Strong rules ensure markets benefit everyone, not just a privileged few. Without oversight, unfair practices like insider trading would erode trust and participation. Regulatory bodies enforce transparency and honesty, protecting investors and the public. These rules are the guardrails that keep finance flowing safely, like traffic laws for the economy. They protect our savings, ensure fair competition, and maintain stability. Regulation is essential for a healthy financial ecosystem. It keeps the river of finance nourishing society, not flooding it. You don't need to be a banker to benefit from financial know-how. The principles of finance, managing resources, assessing risk, planning for the future apply everywhere. Scientists, farmers, and families all make financial decisions daily. Budgeting, saving, and investing are skills that empower us to achieve our goals. Understanding finance helps us build security and turn ideas into reality. It's the art of organizing resources and managing risk for any ambition. Finance is the unseen architecture supporting our lives and our future.